Curry brand is ramping up for the 2025-26 NBA season with the UA Curry Series 7 Cotton Candy, releasing September 26, 2025, for $160. Inspired by vibrant arena snacks, the sneaker features a gradient midsole shifting from blue with speckles to pink, complemented by bold orange toes, green graphics, light blue mesh, metallic silver overlays, and purple accents. Though not strictly cotton candy themed, the playful design captures its youthful essence. Built with performance in mind, the Series 7 takes cues from futuristic running super shoes, integrating a Pebax plate for lateral stability and UA flow cushioning for smooth responsiveness. Already hailed by hoopers as the best Curry model to date, the shoe emphasizes style, function, and innovation. Named after a full 7-game playoff series, it symbolizes determination, while its unique look ensures it stands out on and off the court.